So what is software exactly? We all are having our mobiles with us, correct? We all are having our mobile with us. We use so many applications on our mobile, right? We use so many applications on the mobile. What is your favorite application? Can I say that whenever you woke up, the first application you open is the WhatsApp application. Whenever you go to sleep, whenever you go on bed to sleep, the application which you last see is the WhatsApp. Entire day, the application with which you work on is the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, maybe Twitter, calculator, calendar, call, and many other things, right? So in your day-to-day life, you guys working on so many applications. So do you think someday that how those applications exactly get created? How those applications are created? Applications are nothing but the softwares, right? Whenever in the IT industries, they get created, the IT people call it as a software when it is given or hand over to the end user. What is end user? End user is nothing but the public, right? End user is nothing but the us. Whenever that software get handed over for the end user to use, that time they are usually called as the application. No one call them as the software. But in the industry, when we are creating that, we called it as software. And how the softwares get created? To create the software, a group of people called as developers work in the IT industries. They write down multiple computer programs, right? They write down multiple computer programs to create your software, and after writing all those programs get combined to perform the certain action. And then after combining those multiple programs, which is capable of performing a certain action, that collection of programs is called as the software. Okay. For example, you guys are using WhatsApp nowadays, right? Is all the application or is all the functionalities or all the features which you are using in the WhatsApp application, is all these things are available from the starting? Answer is no. For each and every application, we are getting upgrade, right? We are getting new version. After some time, they are ask you to update your software, to update your WhatsApp application, right? We get update every time. What is that update? Do you heard the new functionality of the WhatsApp? Now WhatsApp supports for payment, right? Earlier is WhatsApp was supporting for the payment?
No.
No. Nowadays it is supporting. How? What extra thing they have added that software supports the extra feature of payment? They have added extra computer programs into it. And what is upgrade? The software which you are using on your mobile, the WhatsApp application which you are using on your mobile, that application contains older tool. So that's why you are suggested with the update that update your application on mobile so that you will get updated programs, updated code into your mobile, and you can use that extra feature which is get added into existing software application. The way this extra feature is get added with the collection of program, same way that software itself created with the multiple program. So what is software? Software is nothing but a collection of computer program which help us to perform any specific task, right? Now, any specific task, we are going to see the detail of this, but in upcoming slide. Right now, we have understood what is software exactly. Anyone is having any question, any doubt on this software terminology? Clear what is software exactly? Yes, any question? Waiting for the response. Any question? Okay,
No.
I treat it as no question. Now, we are using laptops, we are using computer, we are using iPad, we are using mobile. In each and everything, whenever you buy your new mobile, new laptop, new computer, new iPad, whatever it is, that every time is empty, correct? That every time is empty, we need to install many more things, whatever we want to use into our computer or into our mobile. Thus, which you can see are the multiple example of application. Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Adobe Reader, Outlook, Twitter, Music, Word, Excel, Compass, Chrome, YouTube, Watch, multiple games, Gmail, Map, and many more things are there, right? Each and everything is the application. Each and every application is nothing but a software, and all the softwares are created using by writing multiple computer programs, right? We have combined all those computer programs to perform these certain tasks. So all those things which you are using into your day-to-day life on your mobile, on your computer, or anywhere, that is nothing but the software. Okay. Now, as we have understood what is software, if we want to understand what is software testing exactly, as we have break these two things into two parts, now it's turn of testing. We are going to understand what is testing exactly. Now, what is testing? Do you think we do testing in each and every phase of the life? I'm hungry, I want to cook Maggie. Everyone is not the expert cook, but yes, everyone knows how to cook the Maggie, right? Whenever we cook the Maggie, if I'm having my friends with me, I'm having my friends also with me, and I need to cook the Maggie and I want to serve them, right? What you do before serving? As I'm cooking the
You can test
Maggie,
it.
right, we will test it. Because why we taste it? Because as my friends are also there, I want to serve them a Maggie which is cooked by me, right? Which is cooked by me. That is the reason we test it before serving. So why testing is happened? Why we tasted that Maggie? To ensure the quality of our Maggie is best. To ensure the taste of my Maggie is best. Whenever I serve this Maggie to someone else, they will praise it. They will say, yes, you have cooked so tasty Maggie. I liked it. I loved it. Right? This response we want to hear from them. After receiving this response, we will get happy, and thus people can come to us one more time that I want a Maggie which is cooked by your hand, right? This is the good, positive, graceful response we get from our friends. That is the reason we perform tasting before serving them. Tasting is performed to ensure that whatever we make, whatever we created, whatever we have tasted is perfectly fine. If not fine, before serving to order, we can make it fine, right? Because unless and until we taste it, we can't guess it is fine or it's not fine. After tasting, we understood, yes, salt is less. I need to add little more salt, right? But after tasting only we came to know that. That is the reason tasting is very important to ensure that things are perfect, right? The things are proper, or the things are the way we wanted to. To ensure this, we perform the taste. Whenever you go to any shop, you want to buy the clothes, what we do? We try it first. We try it to ensure that whatever I'm wearing, it looking more gorgeous on me, right? We don't buy anything blindly. We do analysis. When I go to buy to any shop, I want to buy a mobile. What I do? First, I take a mobile in my eye. I test the camera, right? I test the speed of that mobile. I test the processor. I check for the RAM. I check for the ROM. Why? To ensure that whatever product I'm buying, that has the good quality, right? That is the reason we perform the tasting. So what is tasting? Tasting means checking something to ensure that it is working as per my expectation, right? Tasting is nothing but finding out how something is working. It is working as per my expectation. It is working the way I want it to work. If it is working as per our expectation, I will say that yes, my tasting got passed and I can go ahead for purchase, right? So tasting means tasting or checking how something is working. Tasting is nothing but ensure that things are working the way I want or not. Tasting is majorly done to ensure the quality of the product, because we always want to have the quality product, right? We always want to serve the quality product, right? Suppose I went to the shop, I bought one camera, I came to home, and I came to know that this camera is not good. They have committed like the lens quality is perfect, but after coming to home, I have tasted it, I have captured multiple photographs, and I came to know that no, the way they have committed, the quality is not like that. Then what you will do? You will get dissatisfied, right? You will not happy with that product. There may be a chance that you will go back to that shop. You will means eat the brain of that person that no, this is not the thing the way you committed. I don't want this. I want to return it, right? Or I want to exchange it. What it includes? Many more things. First is irritation, right? We got irritated that new product which we have bought with so many expectation, that is not fulfill my expectation. Second thing, your time got wasted. You went to shop, you did research, you have buy. After that also quality is not good, right? You are means with all this thing we get so much irritated. We went to that shop, we have returned that product, we came back to home, and we are not at all happy. Now you need to again start with research to buy the new product, right? So your time was waste, your money was waste, and irritation, that is the different, right? But now second friend came to some other person, came to you, and they are just you guys are discussing that I want to buy a camera, which one should I buy? Now you don't know the exact product, which one you should buy. But what you will suggest to your friend that don't buy this, right? What you will say? Buy anything else, but don't buy this. This is my experience. Ultimately, what happened here? You have given the negative review for the product. What is the impact of negative review of the product? The business get impacted, right? Business get impacted. The shop from which you have purchased that camera, that shopkeeper business also get impacted. Same way, the company which has built that camera, which has manufactured that camera, for example, we called it as LG laptop, LG TV, right? So if LG TV is not proper, what we will say? We will give negative feedback for LG, and next time the impact of LG get impacted, right? So overall things get impacted if testing is not properly done. So testing is performed to measure the quality of the product. Ultimately, quality of the product is get measured to gain the confidence of customer, and the confidence of customer gives us the more business. Have you understood why and how this testing is important for the business perspective? So just to ensure the good quality of the product, we perform the testing. Now we know that what is software, we know that what is testing. Now, what is software testing combinedly? We have understood the testing with the perspective of Maggie. We have understood the testing with the perspective of cloth purchasing. We have also understood the Maggie with the perspective of buying the electronics thing in the market. Now, we want to understand the testing as a software perspective. What I told you, in the IT industry, a group of people work on developing the software, right? A group of people work on developing the software. You also created the Maggie, right? You also created the Maggie. Why testing was necessary? Can't you serve it directly to your friends? The way IT industry also having developer team to develop or to create any software. Why they need tester? Can they serve their developed product to the end user directly? Can't they hand over WhatsApp directly to the customer? Why they need that testing team in between developer and handing over application to the end user? Why they need tester? Why we need software testing in the industry? Let's understand this with the help of this example. Anyone earlier who was doing their work by their own, now they want to create the application, right? For example, in the bank, if you want to open the account, what you guys do earlier? We need to go to bank, right? We need to stand in the queue till the time your number reach, right? Then what happened? You will get one form. You are responsible to fill that form. What form should contain? Your name, your current address, your permanent address, your email ID, your phone number, your Aadhaar card number, your PAN card number, your photograph, and some other thing, right? All those things you need to fill into that form. Along with that, you need to give your Aadhaar card and your address hard copy, right? Your address proof hard copy to that banking team, right? You will give all these things to the banking team, and what they will ask you, come tomorrow. We will, or come after 2 to 3 days. We will create an account from you for you. You need to visit the bank once again to collect your passbook and other things, right? Earlier, this used to happen. But now, what bank want? Bank don't want that much rush into their office to create the bank account. What they want to create a software for their account opening application. Now, what bank will do? Bank will come to IT company for the visit purpose. And what they will say? That I want to create a software for account opening application. Can you create for this for us? What bank said? I want to create a software for my account opening application. So, IT company, can you do this for me? IT company said, yes, I can do this for you. I will give you this software in 3 months. Okay. Means IT company will need 3 months to create this software. And in return of that, you need to pay me $500. Okay. Now, business take place here. What business take place here? Bank company has the requirements and IT company has the skill. With the bank requirement, IT company going to deliver a product or a software or an application to the banking people. So their contract got done. Bank is going to pay $500 and IT company is going to give software application to the bank after 3 months, right? Now things are done. Now we as a IT company, going to start work on creating the software. How software is get created? I have told you. A group of developers are available into IT company to develop any application, or in simple word, a group of people are available into IT company to create any software, right? Now, one the person from the IT company, once contract is done, one person from the IT company visit this bank team members and collect the exact requirement from them. What I said? Exact. Exact means 100% requirement. There should not be any confusion. Okay. So they will collect the requirement from them. Bank company said, you need to create one form. Within that form, you should give the multiple fields. For example, the name of the person, current address of the person, permanent address of the person, mobile number field, email address field, and many other fields which are required. Suppose one photograph field, and along with that you need to give them submit button. Once they click on submit, their form gets submitted. All those requirement our one employee from the IT company collected from the bank. Now all those requirement they have handed over to the developer and asked them to create the software. Now developer started working on creating the software, creating that form for account opening purpose. They have added attachment icon to attach the photographs, right? On the form, you have stick the photograph, but online, you need to attach the photograph. Along with that, they have provided two more attach icon to attach your Aadhaar card, to attach your PAN card. And also they have provided one more attach icon to attach your address proof document, right? So what they did, they have created the form with the submit button with 4 attachment icon to attach the necessary document. Now, developer has created the entire thing and they said, yes, we have created the software within 2 months. Now I am done from my side. Now tell me, do you think that software company, the IT company which has committed 3 months time and our developer done the development in 2 months, do you think they are going to deliver this software directly to the bank? Answer is no. Why IT company ask for 3 months time? Because they know it very well that our developer takes 2 months for the development, but they have asked 1 month extra for the testing purpose, because they want to ensure the quality of the software which they have developed. They don't want to release their software without testing. Without testing means what? Without ensuring the quality, right? Without ensuring the quality. Now, once a development done, our tester are going to test that software by comparing with what? By comparing with the requirements which one person collected from the bank. The way that person hand over the requirement to the developer, same way they have a hand over same requirement to the tester. And now our tester is going to test that application by comparing with the requirement document he has received. Okay. Now, we are having mobile number filled in the application, and tester is adding a character into that application. And what tester has observed? Tester has observed like I can able to enter the character into mobile number field. And what tester said? This is not expected. Mobile number field should accept number only. It should not accept the character. This is one thing tester has find out. Now, tester has clicking on attachment icon to attach the photograph, but he is failing to attach the photograph. This second thing tester has reported. Now, tester clicking on submit button, and what tester has observed, if I haven't filled all the necessary fields in the form, then also I am able to submit the application. Again, the third thing tester has reported. After reporting all those things, developer has again worked on this field and they have made each and everything correct. And now after that, tester tested once again and he has observed mobile number field accepting only number, attach icon for photograph also working fine. And when I don't fill all the mandatory fields, submit button is not submitting the form. Now tester said, yes, everything is working fine. After gaining the yes from tester, then and then only IT company deliver this application to the bank. Got it? How flows went out. Developer developed application, tester tested it, tester find out some issues, tester reported that to developer corrected them. After correcting, tester again tested, and after testing, whenever tester said yes, then and then only we hand over that application to the bank. Right? Now imagine, if this testing field will not be there, what happened? Directly we have delivered our application to the bank. Bank has found all those issue. What will happen? Bank will get irritated. Bank will say, this IT company is not good. They won't develop the application properly. So what will happen by this? We will lose the confidence of our customer. Now, whenever again bank want to suppose create the software for ATM application. So do you think they will come to us one more time? Answer is no. They surely not going to come to us. Why? Because we haven't delivered him a quality product earlier. Now they will visit to some other IT company and they will give this contract to them, not to us. Ultimately, what happened? we have lost our business, we have lost our customer. Along with that, our customer is going to share a negative feedback to the other people, and ultimately we are going to get lost as a business perspective. So what is software testing? Testing each and every software, right? The code which we have, which developer has written, or not code. Tester is not responsible for testing the code. Tester is responsible for testing the created software. We check the fields, we check the form, we check the UI, which we can see from the eyes. So software testing is nothing but testing the software with the respective the requirements we have received to ensure the quality of the software being developed. Software testing is the part of software development process, right? Along with development, we did testing. So testing is the part of development process. Software testing. Software testing is an activity to detect and identify the defect in the software. What we have identified after testing? We have identified multiple issues. Issues is nothing but the defect. Okay? In technical term, issues are referred as defect. Okay? So why software testing is performed? It is performed to identify the multiple defect in the software. What is the job of the tester? Job of the tester to identify more defect in the software developed by the developer. This is the job of the tester. And the main objective of the testing is to release the quality product to the client. Now, anyone is having any question under the terminology software testing? Yes, any question? Now we are very clear about what is software testing, right? Now, as we have done or we have learned, software testing is performed to ensure the quality of software. Question is, how we are going to ensure the quality of the software? What is quality? What factor help us to ensure the quality? Yeah, meanwhile, in the chat box, can you see one link is shared? This link is of the WhatsApp group. You guys need to join this WhatsApp group to get all the updates. Okay. So join everyone this WhatsApp group so that for further classes or for tomorrow classes also, you will receive the update for the same. So meanwhile, join this WhatsApp group so that you will get updated with each and everything. Okay. So question is how to ensure the quality of the software or how to measure the quality. So here is the answer. Those are the few factors which help us to ensure the quality of the software. Bug-free, issue, defect, and bug. All three are the same terminology with a little bit difference, which we are going to see when we are going to start with the detailed thing. Okay. So the software which you are going to deliver to the end user, that should be bug-free. What is bug-free? Means you have to test it very well that no one should get any issue in the software. Okay? So tester is responsible for this. Deliver on time. Whenever we did contract, what we have decided? We have decided the time. We have going to deliver the application into 3 months. So as a good quality company, we should not delay or we should be committed on the time we have given because other company, our customer makes their plan as per our commitment. So we are not stick on commitment. It means that the quality of our company is not good. Okay. Along with the time, you have to stick to your budget also. We have given $500. So it is not expected after some time you will say, like, no, you need to pay $600. Our budget got increased. No, this is also not expected. You have to stick to your budget. Okay. Meet requirement. We have received the requirement document and tester is going to test the software. He is going to compare the software with all the requirement. So whatever requirement we have collected, we have to stick with this requirement. Now maintainable. We need to provide maintenance after handing over the software. For example, whenever you went to buy the mobile on your shop, they will say this mobile A comes with 15,000, but with 6 months guarantee. And the second B phone cost is 20,000, but they are giving you 3 years of guarantee. Which one you will buy? Of course, it taking 5,000 extra, but you are getting 3 years of guarantee. So one person surely going to buy this 3-year guarantee product, right? So maintenance gives the customer more confidence that after handing over in software, you need to give them a free service for minimum 1 year. So if something goes wrong, something is not working fine, or if you need any help, we are here to help you free of the cost, right? So all those factors help us to ensure the quality of our software. We need to take care of all those things to call our product as the quality product. Second question, why? Why we should perform software testing? Just now we have seen with our example, if we hand over the software without testing, what will happen? We will lose the confidence of our customer. Ultimately, we will lose the business, right? We will get lost in our getting the more customer. So software testing should perform to gain the confidence of the customer, ultimately to gain the more business from the customer, to stay in the market. Whenever we go in the market, we always search for the quality product, right? If I'll ask you to buy the mobile, do you really go for the Nokia? Of course, no. If I give you the option Android, OnePlus, and the iOS, means the Apple. Apple, of course, has gained a more confidence of the market with their quality, right? So always we try to choose the best quality product. And how we identify the quality? By the name, right? Because within their name, their quality is hidden. So we as a business person, we as a IT company, TCS has gone that confidence. Infosys has gone that confidence, right? We all want to enter into the companies like this. So same way, to ensure the quality of the product, to gain the customer confidence, to make the business very at the high level, we perform the software testing. So to ensure or to make sure the quality of the product, we should perform the software testing. Now, here are the some answers why we should perform software testing. Software testing is performed which help in saving the money, which help in ensuring the quality of the customer, which help in ensuring the satisfaction of the customer, to gain the customer confidence, and the moreover to identify the multiple errors, to avoid the risk and to avoid the extra cost. Now, we are aware about ensuring the quality, satisfying the customer, gaining the customer confidence, and to avoid the error. But how testing is going to save money? How testing is going to avoid the extra cost? Suppose if we are building any building and we want to make some modification. Okay, now we are constructing our home and we want to make some modification. Now tell me, if your home is entirely ready and now you want to change the direction of your door, you don't want it to west, you want it now to east. Can you do it once entire home is built? Yes, you can do it. But what it will need? It will need more and more extra cost and more time too, right? But instead of that, when it was in the construction phase, can you make the changes? Yes, you can make it, right? And it will take less time, less money, less effort too, right? When we make the changes in the construction phase. Same way, when you are identifying some issue in the testing phase, it is very easy to correct for the developer. But once entire product is ready and now you are identifying the issues, then again it is time consuming. It needs more cost to make them correct. So that's why after development, immediately we perform the testing to find out the issue so that within less time, within less cost, developer can correct them and ensure the quality. Got it? How testing is save the money in the early phase? That is the one of the major reason. Along with maintaining the quality, gaining the customer confidence, satisfying the customer, saving the money and avoiding the extra cost. Those are the reason why software testing is performed in the IT industry. Anyone is having any question why we should go for software testing? Next is when. When we should perform software testing? Immediately as soon as development is started. This is the answer. And in your day-to-day life, you should perform testing in each and every phase of life. Right? So this is the answer for your when. That's all about the today. That what is software testing, when we should do software testing, and why we should do software testing. Now, as a career perspective, what is the scope of software testing? Yes. What is the scope of software testing? Nowadays, we are working in the digital world. Each and everything is getting digital. Earlier, lecture going to happen in the classroom, but nowadays we are conducting our lectures online. Many more things was offline. Now I can do the 70% or 60% of the thing online. Many more application coming into markets. Many more softwares are getting developed. Each and everything which are manual, that getting converted into automation. More development industry means there are so much scope for the development, right? As much scope for the development, that much scope for the testing, correct? Whenever development is there, testing is there. So scope for the testing is very high. So you can choose software testing as your career option. And we are here to help you to become a proficient software tester. This is our course, which is of 3-month duration. Under this 3 month, we are going to learn from start to end. What we are assuming here, that you don't know anything. This is our assumption before starting this course. We assume like you don't know anything about the computer. You don't know anything about the testing. You are not from the testing background. This is our assumption behind this course. If you know anything, then also we suggest you to forget the thing. Because once we know some partial thing, we start comparing. Okay? So, and we are ultimately confusing ourselves. So we suggest to forget each and everything and start your learning from the brief. Here we are going to cover manual testing, We are going to cover Java. We are going to cover Selenium. For complete the project, we are going to create our project. We are going to learn the different framework which is used in the organization. To complete the project or framework using Selenium Java, we need some supporting tool. For example, we need TestNG, we need Git, we need multiple frameworks which we need to run. We are going to learn data driven framework. We are going to learn page object model. All those things which are required or which are used in the one IT organization. For example, Jira. All those things we are going to cover under our 3 months. Duration is 3 months. We are going to start from A and complete till Z. And the fees for entire course is only 12K. Anyone is having any question, any doubt or anything they want to ask? We are having 3 demo lecture on today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. From Monday, we are going to conduct the batch for the student who has done with the registration. Yes, anyone is having any question within this? Any question? Any question? You are going to get daily notes. Ultimately, you are going to save your time of creating the notes. Along with this, you are going to get the video recording, means recording of our session. Daily, the recording of the sessions are get updated. So you can look at the recording and we can go through with it once again to revise the concept. Yes. Any other question anyone is having?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma'am, what about Maven Gradle?
Yes, that also get covered. Means whenever we create the framework, we need to use either Maven or either Gradle. So if I teach you both the things, you guys will get confused. So in 90% of the organization, they use Maven for their project, and Maven and Gradle as 90% same. So once you have learned Maven, it is very easy to switch to Gradle. So in our project, whatever project we are going to create, we are going to cover Maven under this using page object model. Yes. Any other question?
Madam, how much is the fees for this?
12K.
With
Here
the recordings and without recording?
Entire thing you will get. You will get notes, you will get recording, you will get WhatsApp group where you can post your all the doubts, all the question, and I will be there for your answer.
There is only one option, that is 12 gates, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay. Madam, actually, I am a passed out of 2018 and I have prepared for several exams and I am not succeed in that. Can I choose like this, and after completion of this course, can I able to crack with an experience of 2 years? Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Because what I'll going to teach you, I'll going to teach you each and everything. Here I'll help you to create your resume. I'll going to help you to create your Naukri account also. We are having separate session for resume preparation and along with that Naukri account creation. I'll going to help you with each and everything. You just need to practice. You just need to create yourself. Whatever I have teach you, you need to practice each and everything.
In the resume, we need to put one project, ma'am. Whatever that you have teach, we can put that.
Yes. Because whatever project we are going to cover, we are going to add this thing only into that project. Whatever your resume is going to build with all the real knowledge only. There will be nothing like I'll not going to teach and you are going to add extra. No, nothing like that. Each and everything from starting till end, from the manual testing, from the testing terminology till your Naukri account creation, you will get guidance for each and everything. Also, I'll going to teach you how to explain your project to the interviewer, how to introduce yourself. All these things I'll going to cover.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes. Any other question? Okay. If not, we will stop here for today. Tomorrow we are going to meet at same time on the same link. And if you are having any question, any doubt, tomorrow also you are having time to ask them. Okay. Chalo then. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Join to WhatsApp group. If you have not joined, join it now. Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you.
everyone join. Copy the link. I given you 1 minute. Copy the link. Everyone done or anyone is pending? I'll dropping off. Okay then. Chalo then. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.